Oh my gosh, you all. I made my first AI video today. Check it out.
I am absolutely blown away. All I did was type in this paragraph up at the top, and it quickly created a video for me. I will make a tutorial on how to do this as soon as I check out all the other apps. Let's do it.
Hi there, I'm Alicia, and welcome back to my channel. I'm making this video specifically to show you how easy it is to make AI-generated videos. This one took me 10 minutes. You know, I've had a fair few conversations with people who are hesitant to start their own YouTube channels. The common thread? They're uncomfortable with the sound of their voice or the idea of being on camera. It's a concern that's far more common than you might think, and it's one that I want to tackle head-on today. After all, the beauty of technology is that it's always evolving, always providing solutions to problems we didn't even know we had. So, let's talk about one such solution: faceless AI-generated videos. These videos are a great way for anyone to share their ideas, their stories, or their expertise without having to step in front of a camera or even use their own voice. Today, I'll show you how to create your own faceless AI-generated videos. So, you may be wondering, what exactly is an AI-generated video? Well, imagine having your very own virtual director, cinematographer, and actor all rolled into one. That's essentially what an AI-generated video is. It's a form of content creation that's powered by artificial intelligence. This technology can generate videos without the need for a person to physically appear on screen or even record their voice. It's like having a digital puppeteer pulling the strings, creating an engaging visual experience for the viewer. Now, this might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's not. It's happening right now, and it's transforming the way we create and consume content. AI-generated videos utilize sophisticated algorithms and machine learning models to analyze vast amounts of data and create realistic visuals. These algorithms can mimic human behaviors, expressions, and movements, creating a virtual character that can interact with its environment just like a human would. But it's not just about creating a digital stand-in for a human. AI can also be used to modify and enhance voices. Yes, you heard that right. If you're someone who's not too fond of how you sound on camera, AI can help with that too. With the help of advanced voice synthesis technology, you can transform your voice into any tone, accent, or language you desire. And the best part? AI-generated videos can be produced quickly and efficiently. No need for lengthy shooting schedules, no need for expensive equipment or fancy sets. All you need is a powerful machine learning model and a creative idea. But don't just take my word for it, the proof is in the pudding, as they say. Many content creators are already utilizing AI-generated videos to bring their visions to life, and the results are nothing short of amazing. Now that you know what an AI-generated video is, let's move on to how you can create one. Creating AI-generated videos requires some tools. Don't worry, they're quite easy to use. Firstly, we have the script writing software. This tool is essential for crafting the narrative of your video. A popular option is Kelix, which offers a free version and a paid version that gives you access to more advanced features. You can also use Google Docs or Microsoft Word if you're on a budget. Next is the AI voice generator. This tool will be your narrator, your storyteller. There are many AI voice generators out there, but some of the most popular ones include Amazon Polly and Google Text-to-Speech. These tools offer a wide range of voices and languages, allowing you to pick the perfect voice for your video. Some of these tools are free, while others may require a small fee. Then we have the video creation software. You might be familiar with Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, which are great for more complex projects. But for AI-generated videos, simpler tools like Lumen 5 or InVideo can be just as effective. These tools automatically generate video content based on your script, saving you a lot of time and effort. Now you might be wondering, where do I find all these images and video clips to use in my AI-generated video? Well, that's where stock media libraries come in. Websites like Shutterstock and Getty Images offer millions of high-quality photos and video clips that you can use in your projects. These libraries typically require a subscription, but there are also free alternatives like Pexels and Pixabay. Lastly, you'll need a platform to share your videos. YouTube is a great place to start, given its vast user base and easy-to-use interface. Vimeo and Facebook are also good options, depending on your target audience. With these tools in hand, you're ready to start creating your own AI-generated videos. Now brace yourselves. I'm about to guide you through the process of creating your AI-generated video. First things first, you'll need to choose your AI video generation tool. There are quite a few on the market, but for the sake of this guide, let's assume you've chosen one that suits your needs and budget. Once you've got your tool, you're ready to begin. The first step in the process is script writing. Yes, even AI-generated videos need a script. This will be your blueprint, your guiding star. It's what tells the AI what to say and do. So take your time to craft a script that is engaging and conveys your message effectively. Keep in mind your target audience and the goal of your video while writing. Next up, you need to input this script into your chosen AI video generation tool. This process might vary slightly depending on the tool you're using, but generally, there will be a designated section where you can paste or type in your script. Once you've inputted your script, it's time to choose your AI narrator. This is a fun part. Many tools offer a variety of AI voices, each with its own unique tone and style. Experiment with different options and choose the one that best fits your video's vibe. Now that you've got your script and voice sorted, it's time to bring your video to life. This is where the magic happens. Your AI tool will take your script and chosen voice and transform them into a captivating video. This process might take a few minutes, so sit back, relax, and let the AI do its thing. Once your video is generated, it's time to review and edit. Watch your video, make sure everything flows well and your message is clear. If you notice any issues or want to make changes, most AI tools allow you to edit the video. You can tweak the script, change the AI voice, or adjust the timing of certain parts. Finally, once you're satisfied with your video, it's time to export it. Again, the exact process might vary depending on your tool, but generally, you'll find an option to export or download your video in the tool's dashboard. Choose the format and quality that best suits your needs, then click Export or Download. And just like that, you've got your AI-generated video ready to share with the world. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more videos you create, the better you'll become at using your AI tool and crafting engaging scripts. So, don't be discouraged if your first few videos aren't perfect. Keep at it, and you'll be a pro in no time. And there you have it, your own AI-generated video. So, what do you think? Not as scary as you imagined, right? It's a common misconception that creating AI-generated videos is a complex task, reserved only for the tech-savvy. But as we've seen today, it's far from the truth. It's about understanding the process, having the right tools, and most importantly, having the will to give it a shot. We've walked through the basics of AI-generated videos, demystifying what might have seemed like a daunting concept. We've explored how AI can help you create engaging content without needing to be in front of the camera or even liking the sound of your own voice. It's about leveraging technology to share your ideas, your stories, your expertise, and your passions. We've looked at the essential tools you need, and you'll be surprised to know you probably have most of them right now, nestled inside your computer, or even your smartphone. It's not about having the most expensive equipment, it's about making the best use of what you have. Then we dived into a step-by-step guide on how to create your very own AI-generated video. From scripting to voiceover selection, from editing to final touches, we've covered it all. It's a process, and like any other process, it takes practice. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. So don't be discouraged if your first few attempts aren't perfect. They're not supposed to be. They're supposed to be your stepping stones to becoming better. And with that, we wrap up our journey into the world of AI-generated videos. The road might seem challenging at first, but I assure you, it's a road worth traveling. So why not embark on this journey? Why not give it a shot? Remember, the world is waiting to hear your voice, to see your creations. And with AI, you have a powerful tool to make that possible. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Start now. And as you venture into this exciting world, I'll be here, ready to guide, ready to assist. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one.